I will take this pile of material and patterns and make these 7 ornaments. I'm going to get started on a little bit of a Christmas decoration project here. These are patterns I made in Inkscape. And when I say I made them, what they were originally was a part of a font which was called Paper-Cut Snowflakes. And I picked the ones out of it I thought I could make a pattern out of. And I added the little eyes. And I made 3 different versions of this one. And this is the materials I'm going to use. I'm using some scrap stuff. That's some maple had a bad spot in it. That's some maple with a crack in it. I just use this, what I can off of it for these little patterns. And this is going to be Baltic birch plywood because that might get a little delicate. And I'm going to try to cut it out of that. So let me get them mounted. I don't know if these are going to look good because one thing to pick out something to use as a pattern, and that's something else when you get to cutting it. But we'll find out here in a minute. Let me mount them and see how it goes. Okay, got all the holes drilled. Got a number 3 blade in there. It's a modified geometry Pegas. And I'll see if I can, if this looks any good, if these are feasible patterns. I know they'll be okay, but don't really know till you cut them. So here we go, we're going to try it out. Okay, so there's my own designed snowflakes that I have finished. I got just enough finish on them to bring the grain out. It's real nasty wet weather outside, so I didn't get to completely put as much finish on them as I want, but I brought the grain out on them, made it pop a little bit. This one, that's mahogany and maple, I think, put together. Just a piece of middle of a bowl blank that I didn't use from a while back. So I thought that might make a nice ornament, and I believe it did. So if you like that, hit the like button. I'm working on a nativity, my own design now. And you see these three right here came from the same pattern. Just different interpretation and use of that design to make three different patterns. So anyway, as I was saying, I'm working on my own nativity. Hopefully I'll get that in my next video. It may take me a little while to get it all lined out. I'm still working on it in Inkscape. So if you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and see what I do next. I'll be getting back to my boxes. Here I'm kind of in the Christmas season right now. But when I get through that nativity, I may be all I do for Christmas this year in the channel. So stay tuned to see what I do next, and I thank you for watching.